welcome back. Hey, welcome back family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. So family, I have a little sniff and share that I wanted to do with you all, where I sniff some fragrances, you know, whether they're testers or bottles, and I just want to share with you my thoughts. Simple as that. So if you're interested, let's get into it. Okay, so first, if you all don't know, I am a part of SCENTBIRD. This is not sponsored, but they can. But no, I have a SCENTBIRD collection. I am a part of their subscription, and I had to get some more beauty. So we have Juliette Has a Gun. Okay. And so I was interested, you know, I wanted to know what this was about, but this has your raspberry, neroli, vanilla, and sandalwood. It has the notes on the back, so I do love this card. Tells you a little bit about the fragrance. It's definitely a gourmand, they said. So I love Juliette Has a Gun just as a brand. I have quite a few Juliette Has a Gun fragrances. So if you all see my last video, I want to get the Ode to Dullness from Juliette Has a Gun. I really want that. It has a great sandalwood note, so definitely interested in it. But I wanted to see what this was talking about. I have seen this on Joma Shop, so if I like it, I might pick it up, but we'll see. Let's see. Ooh. Okay. Oh, okay. It's cool. Now, does it wow me or excite me at first sniff? No, it doesn't wow me. It doesn't excite me. But is it pretty? It's cool. It's all right. It kind of has a more, ooh, what is that? Maybe it's the neroli. It kind of, and I don't want to say it's potpourri comes to mind, but I don't want to say that, but it kind of gives that denseness, that kind of potpourri woodiness gives. Like, I just can't explain it. Maybe you all know what I'm trying to say, but like the way potpourri or house spray has this scent with the wood, it kind of is giving me that. I don't think I wouldn't get a full bottle. I wouldn't get a full bottle of this, but am I turned off with this? No. I'm definitely not turned off, but I would not get a full bottle. It's just not my type of thing. I think if it would have had like a sweeter vanilla, or let me smell it again. Maybe a sweeter vanilla and another fruit. Maybe like a peach or something like that. Like maybe a citrus type of note. Maybe I could jam with it a little bit more. It just needs like a little brightness. It's just a little dense to me. I can't explain it. Just not my jam. Okay? Just not my jam. So we're going to put that to the side. I have another SCENTBIRD fragrance, and I really wanted this, okay? So this is Vilheimparfumerie, okay? And you all know I have mango skin, and I absolutely adore. It's not synthetic. It's like this juicy, very skin-like mango scent. I love it. Absolutely love it. But I always wanted to try Poets of Berlin, okay? And this has blueberry. Love that. Lemon, I don't know about that. Vanilla, green wild orris, and sandalwood, okay? So I don't know about the lemon part of it, but I've always been interested to try this fragrance. I wanted it in my collection. I, at one time, almost blind bought this, okay? But then I was like, oh my goodness, like the price tag is not pricey, but it's not, it ain't cheap. You like, sister, what you really trying to say? I mean, it kind of sits in the middle. It was about, I think the last time I seen it was about $275. It was something like that. So very mid-range and like a luxury, well, kind of low in the luxury realm, I would say, but in general, it ain't just a little coin. It's a coin, you know. But anyway, I've always wanted to try this fragrance, and I'm so excited to be able to get it. Now, I don't know what I did or who I impressed or who I shook hands with, who, you know, came to my channel or something like that. But I got a little white case. Now, I've been getting a whole bunch of the gray and very dull and, you know, every day. But, honey, I got a little white case. Who did I make? I mean, who did I rub shoulders with? Girl, I don't know. But I'm glad that they decided to give me a white case. It's so cute. Ooh, I love the white case, SCENTBIRD. So, okay, wait. Okay. Definitely green. So that, what is it? That orris, the green wild orris is, it's a greenness in this. Okay. It's giving me a little fresh cut grass. It's giving me a little fresh cut grass. Interesting. I might need to put this on my skin. Ooh, I'm scared. Okay, let me see. I don't know. Let me put it on skin. Let me see if it does any better. Again, this is my first impression, so I'll have to wear this, and I'm still getting the green though. Interesting. I'm not getting the blueberry, or what is it? The blueberry? Yeah. I'm not getting the blueberry as heavy as I would really like. I smell it, but it definitely is like a faint blueberry, but with the leafy. It's more of the leafy on the end of the blueberry than the actual blueberry juice. It's like a dry blueberry. Like if you let the blueberry sit out and literally the juice runs out of it. That's kind of the blueberry I get. Very dry, green. I'm glad I didn't get a full bottle on this. If that's what this is gonna do, I'm very glad I did not get a full bottle and spend my coins of $2.75 on this, because this is not my flair, my jam. Interesting. I'm gonna have to wear this. I'm gonna have to see if it maybe develops, turns a little bit more. Does it do something? But straight out of me initially spraying, it's green. Okay. Fresh cut grass. Greenery. And you all know how I am about the greens and running through the forest and the trees and stuff. I would have loved this to have a little bit more of the blueberry stand out. Well, this is kind of disappointing. But I do see, like, if someone likes a spa herbal type of vibe, okay? So if you like a spa herbal type of vibe, like I said, you would probably vibe with this, because I could see someone liking herbal tea notes. Yeah, I could see you liking something like this. It's very different. It's definitely not what I expected. It's very unique. Now, I will say it is very unique, but I can't see like a man compliment, and no shade. Like, if you've gotten compliments on this, okay, then you just have gotten compliments on this. But I'm just saying, my nose and what I'm experiencing, I can't see someone getting a compliment on this. It's very fresh cut grass. Yeah, I can't, it's definitely unique, but I can't see someone like, or a man drawing to this scent is what I'm really trying to say. Like, I can't see a man like, oh yeah, come on over, come here, baby, give me a big kiss. Not that he would say that. That dad is a little scary. Don't let nobody say that to you. Yeah. Now it's kind of getting in the dirt of the grass. Okay, I'm done. Ooh, I shouldn't have put that on my skin. Okay. Next, I am so excited about this. One of my beautiful family members and friends actually that is located in the city that I am in. She hooked us, sister, up with some testers, my fragrance buddy, okay? And I have none other than YSL BabyCat. So I have that one. And then I have Guerlain Spiritueuse Double Vanille. She gave that to me. Oh, I'm so excited. Now, what I will say, you all know, I do not have the Guerlain, but I have Vanilla So Sweet. That is supposed to be an inspired fragrance or a dupe of the actual Guerlain, right? Remember I said this is supposed to be the dupe? But I never had it to like test to see if it vibed the same. Well, now we do. We have it so that we can test and try. So I have Vanilla So Sweet. Cannot say it, but Vanilla So Sweet. I'm going to spray on this tester. And I love this, okay? And then I am going to spray Guerlain Spiritueuse Double Vanille. Okay, I'm going to spray it on this one. So we got the Vanilla So Sweet, the dupe, and then we got, okay. Let's smell the dupe first. Or should I smell Guerlain? Oh, well, it doesn't really matter, right? Mmm.
2 hours later.
Mmm. Oh, wow.
Well, we're waiting.
Ooh, now I will say, very close, but I will say to me, this Vanilla So Sweet is stronger. I would have to say it's stronger. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's definitely stronger. Oh, but it smells so divine. Oh, my gosh. But this is stronger. And this is more sweeter, kind of almost even like apple pie lamode type of fragrance with the Vanilla So Sweet. Oh, okay. But this is good. Now I'm hitting myself in the nose. But that's good. Now, would I get a full bottle of this? Yeah, I would. I would rock with this and roll with this and see what this does. I would definitely wouldn't mind purchasing. But I will say this is definitely giving me a stronger vibe. This is a very good dupe of this. It just is stronger and very much apple pie lamode than this. It's a little faint. It like sits in the background. This is like the background singer. Honey, this is like big sis. Okay, so now let's talk about Miss Popular. Okay, so this is YSL BabyCat. Honey, if y'all don't talk about nothing else, y'all talking about BabyCat. Y'all talking about BabyCat for real. All the time, every time. So I'm definitely interested. Ooh, interesting. Okay. Okay. Now, does this have tobacco in this? What does YSL BabyCat have in it? Let me see. Let me look this up. So YSL BabyCat has black and pink pepper. We have some saffron, some olibanum. Base notes, we have bourbon, vanilla, suede, and cedar. Okay, so I was getting more of like a tobacco, but I guess that's like the black pepper and leather. Because it kind of gave me, when I first sprayed it, like kind of a tobacco scent. But I can see you getting suede. Yeah, I can see that being suede. But definitely getting the black pepper. So very much spice. I don't know if I like this. I can see why you all love it. But I don't know if this would be my jam. And I only say that because I know you all like some other like tobacco type of fragrances. I know this is suede. I get it. I got it. But when I say it gives me remnants of like tobacco and spice, And that's not always like something that I enjoy, because it kind of even smells like a cigar. Like, you know, like if you went to like a cigar lounge or something like that, it kind of gives me that smell. And I know that some women like a cigar tobacco type of smell. Again, I know this is suede, but I'm just giving you what I'm experiencing in this moment. But yeah, so I can see someone liking this, but this to me kind of leans more masculine than feminine. I don't know. Wow. This would definitely, I would have to have this sit. So she gonna sit until the end of this year. But I couldn't see myself wearing it in this season of like spring, summer. This is definitely a winter, heavy winter cold fragrance. And I might be able to appreciate this more in the winter, but it gives me very tobacco cigar lounge. And that's just not my vibe. And I know that people might vibe with this, but I don't know if I like this. I don't know if I like that.
No, sir, I don't like it.
Okay. Well, that's all. That's all, family. I would love to know your thoughts. If you have some of these fragrances, I would love to know what you feel and what your thoughts are. We all have different ones, and I would love to know them. So maybe you've experienced YSL BabyCat, or maybe you experienced Juliette Has a Gun. Or maybe you experienced the Poets of Berlin. I don't know, but I would love to absolutely know your thoughts. Would love to know what you've been testing. Maybe I can test something, you know? Make sure you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.